Our school has blank big playground. Option is A. The, B. A, C, and D. All of these. Answer is option B. A.
He was blank in a race. Option is A. Running, B. Dancing, C. Talking, D. Eating. Answer is option A. Running.
I bought blank umbrella. Option is A. The, B. A, C, and D. All of these. Answer is option C. And.
Find the action verb in the sentence. Option is A. My, B. Thinks, C. Plan, D. Friend. Answer is option B. Thinks.
Find the action verb in the sentence. Option is A. Nandu, B. Finds, C. Diamond, D. Road. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
Find the noun from the following. Option is A. Rightful, B. Rainy, C. Sun, D. Soon. Answer is option C. Sun.
Find the noun from the following. Option is A. Deeply, B. Chocolate, C. Sweetly, D. Away. Answer is option B. Chocolate. Did you know cow and sheep both are pet animals?
Find the noun in the sentence. Option is A. French, B. Language, C. Easy, D. Both A and B. Answer is option D. Both A and B.
Which of the following is the noun? Option is A. Biggest, B. Yummy, C. Smaller, D. Children. Answer is option D. Children.
Find the noun in the sentence. Option is A. Have, B. Dressers, C. To, D. I. Answer is option B. Dressers. Which animal is coming?
Lion.
No, it's a tiger. Did you know tigers are nocturnal animals?
Find the noun from the following. Option is A. Dried, B. Brown, C. Higher, D. Wood. Answer is option D. Wood.
The bell blank option is A. Plays, B. Rings, C. Runs, D. Sings. Answer is option B. Rings.
I gave my younger son blank sweets for his school. Option is A. Too much, B. A little, C. A few, D. None of these. Answer is option C. A few.
A cuckoo blank option is A. Speaks, B. Talks, C. Chats, D. Sings. Answer is option D, sings.
Find the noun in the sentence. Option is A. Milk, B. Jug, C. There, D. Both A and B. Answer is option D, both A and B.